Toppy's birthday. Lesson 4.
Wake up, dear.
Mommy, it's Sunday. Just one more minute, please.
No, you have to wake up and help me.
Oh, what are you going to do, huh?
Well, what day is tomorrow?
Oh. Well, what day is tomorrow? Today is May the 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th. So tomorrow is... Oh, wow! Mommy, tomorrow is my birthday, right?
Mm-hmm.
Daddy, tomorrow is my birthday. Tomorrow is my birthday. Huh?
You have to get changed first, Toppi.
Did you wash your face, dear?
Go and look in the mirror, sister.
Oh. Ah.
Ooh.
Wow, tomorrow's my birthday! Yay! Who shall I invite? Oh, I've got it! Hello?
Hello?
This is Toppi speaking. May I speak to Tong Tong, please?
Ah, it's me, Tong Tong.
What are you doing?
I was reading a book. What's up?
Ah, tomorrow is my birthday.
Really? Oh, today is May the 8th, so tomorrow is the 9th. That's right, the 9th is your birthday. Happy birthday, Toppi.
Thank you. I want to invite you to my birthday party.
When? Where?
Tomorrow at noon at my house. Can you come?
Of course.
Oh? Then see you tomorrow. Bye.
Okay, see you tomorrow. Bye.
Hello.
Hello.
This is Toppi speaking. May I speak to Chi-Chi, please?
It's me, Chi-Chi.
Hey, what are you doing?
I am watching TV. So what's up?
Tomorrow is my birthday. I want to invite you to my birthday party. Can you come?
Yes, of course.
Okay, see you tomorrow. The party is at noon, so don't be late. Bye.
Bye. Hello? Hello, this is Tong Tong. May I speak to Chi-Chi, please? It's me, Chi-Chi. Oh, hi, Chi-Chi. What are you doing? Oh, well, I'm just hanging around. Do you know that tomorrow's Toppi's birthday? Yes, I do. So, did you buy Toppi a present yet? No, not yet. How about you? Me neither. Why don't we go and buy something together? Right. Let's meet at the stationery store. It's all boring. Yeah, you're right. There's nothing to buy. Especially for her. Yep. Will Toppi like this? Oh, then shall we pull it out, huh? Oh, what is it? Ooh, it's a spider. Oh, that's creepy. Ooh, that's creepy too. No, nothing good is coming out.
Ouch!
Well, it's about time. Aha! It's them, I think. Who is it?
Toppi, it's me.
Come on in.
Hey, Toppi. Happy birthday. Where is everyone? Aren't they here yet?
No, not yet.
Wow, then I'm the first.
Oh,
You look so happy.
yes, I am.
Oh, I think it's your friend.
Welcome. Hello, friends, come in. Here. Put on these hats.
Wow, it looks really great. When are we going to eat this?
Wait, Tong and Chi Chi aren't here yet. Put on this hat and just wait.
They are late today.
It's them.
Happy birthday!
Come in. Thank you, Tong, Chi Chi. Hey, hurry and put on these hats. We're starving.
Welcome. Is everybody here? Then put the candles on the cake.
Oh, Toppi, how old are you?
7.
1, 2.
3,
Yeah.
4, 5.
7.
Wow, it's beautiful.
Now let's sing happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Toppi. Happy birthday to you.
Toppi, make your wish.
I want to look more beautiful.
Yeah.
Toppi, blow out the candles all at once.
Yay! Happy birthday!
Oh, thank you. This is for you.
Wow.
Oh, this is the headband that I really wanted. You really like it? Thank you so much.
It's really pretty. Can I have a headband for my birthday, too?
Okay.
Oh, this is for you, Toppi.
Well, what is it? Thank you. I needed this.
That's not interesting. Look at this. This is interesting.
But what is it?
Well, just open it and you'll see. Yes, how delicious. I think food is the best present. You like that, Toppi?
Yes. No, it's okay. I like carrots. Thanks very much.
Happy birthday, Toppi.
Oh, thank you. What is this?
Wow,
That's
cute. Oh, Toppi, this is for you.
Thank you. Tong, it's our turn now. What is this?
Well, just open it.
Wow!
Thank you so much. Is this me?
We made it ourselves. It really looks like you.
Oh. Oh, you really did.
That's a wonderful present.
I hope that my birthday will come soon. When is your birthday? Oh, wait a minute. So, when is your birthday? My birthday's in the fall, September 2nd. September 2nd is Kitty's birthday.
My birthday is in the fall, too.
It is? When? September, October, November?
October 8th.
Squirrel's birthday is on October 8th.
My birthday is in the summer.
Me too.
Oh, when in the summer?
June 7th.
Mine's August
Hey,
4th.
that's great.
Piggy's birthday is on August 4th. Puppy's birthday is on June 7th.
As for me, my birthday is in the winter, December 6th. Wow, then we can see snow on your birthday. Ooh, of course. Talk, when is your birthday? My birthday is in the spring and has passed already.
When?
March 3rd.
It
It has passed.
Oh, Chichi, when is your birthday?
I'm not saying.
Oh.
Come on, Chi-Chi, when is your birthday?
Oh.
I don't know. In the spring?
In summer?
Fall?
In the winter? Winter.
When in winter?
January?
In February?
Or March?
January? January 1st.
Wow!
January 1st.
Then the next birthday is June 7th.
Ooh.
Puppy's birthday.
Children, come
Wow. Shall we start to eat?
Thank you.
in. Hey, Piggy, eat slowly.
It's delicious. Can I have some more juice, please?
Yes, may I have that cookie over there?
Oh, dear, I dropped my fork.
Here.
Thanks.
Wow, I am so full.
Why don't we play games, huh?
Yes, what game?
Why do we have to play a game? What if we each sing a song? Okay, let's just get started.
Who wants to sing first?
I do.
Yeah.
Me.
Oh, stop it! Oh, this is just noise.
Let's play a game.
Yes, a game that we can all play together.
Right, but what game?
Let's play Drop the Handkerchief.
Sure. Oh, then we have to choose the tagger.
Let's do rock, scissors, paper. You guys are on one team, and the rest of you are on the other team.
Rock, scissors,
paper. Rock, scissors, paper.
Wow, it's getting fun.
Once more.
Rock,
scissors, paper. Rock, scissors, paper.
A tisket, a tasket, a green and yellow basket. I wrote a letter to my love, and on the way I dropped it.
We have to give him a penalty, but what?
Yes, how about writing his name with his buttocks?
Couldn't I just sing?
No, write your name with your buttocks.
That's really funny. Let's make 2 teams.
Okay, but what now?
Just a minute. We need 2 teams, so let's just play the way we played rock, scissors, paper.
Okay, but what game?
Each team must pick a person and turn him into a mummy. Of course, the faster team is the winner.
Wow, that sounds great.
Let's go.
Ready?
No!
Go and get it.
Three, two, one. These are winners.
Will we unwrap them or not?
Just unwrap them.
It's really fun.
Hello.
Oh, hello. Nice to see so many of Toppi's friends here.
Daddy, look at these. I have so many presents.
Oh, you must be very excited. Have you eaten lots of goodies?
Yes. Mrs. Rabbit made us so many delicious things.
Then it's time for my gift. Let's see. Yes, do you want to go to the amusement park?
Wow, really? Yes.
Okay, let's go. And honey, we should hurry now.
Oh, they look so happy, don't they?
Hey, whose birthday is it next?
It's mine. Oh, no, not again.
Hey.
Hey, children, smile. Say cheese.